So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add money to your Safepal wallet. Now in order to add money to your Safepal wallet, there's a couple different things you can do. You can either deposit cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange, something like Binance, buy crypto directly using a credit card, or top up via a bank transfer if you're using a Safepal banking gateway. So once you're here, open up Safepal. Once you're there, you can see your balance. As I mentioned before, you can go to buy with your credit card in order to add funds to your wallet. So that's one way to go about it. Another one would be to deposit from another wallet or exchange it. So as it says here, you can see swap. So for some specific crypto that you already have, can be swapped. You can also trade it. So that's another way you can go on about doing this. You can go to your wallet and earn your value through there as well. You can manage your coins. You can hit add coin to add money to your account. So these are all different types and ways to add funds to your crypto wallet. So to make sure your Safepal wallet is well funded, so you don't have to worry about it that much. But the main way would be to buy funds and top up funds with your money from your bank accounts. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safepal Wallet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.